Fourth graders, today is Wednesday, September 4th, and we are continuing on with Eureka Math, Module 1, Lesson 6. At this point, you should already have the learning goal and the lesson copied down, okay? Today, our learning goal says we're going to work on finding 1, 10, and 100,000 more and less than a given number. Oh, 1,000 more, 10,000 more, and 100,000 more. So I wrote it wrong on the board. Don't worry. Fix it right now. Okay? So basically, you're going to get a number, and you have to tell me what's 1,000 more than that number, or 1,000 less than that number, or 100,000 more, or 100,000 less. Make sense? And we're going to use what we know about place value to help us do that. Take a look at the board up here. You can see a place value chart. Yes? Okay, you can see some dots in the thousands place, the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. Okay, my question for you is, what number is represented on this place value chart? How many thousands do we have? Everyone?
3.
How many hundreds do we have?
1.
How many tens do we have?
1.
How many ones do we have?
2.
So let me ask you again. In word form, what number is represented on this place value chart? Everyone? 3,112. Good. Okay, now I have another place value chart right here. Take a look at this one now. Before you tell me what number it is represented, can you see any differences between, it's like those pictures where you see what's changed, right? What's the difference between my original place value chart and the one I just showed you? Do you guys see anything different? Raise your hand when you see something different. Avani, what's different between the bottom one and the top one?
The thousands place.
Do you guys see there's an extra 1,000 there now? So now, how many thousands are there? Everyone?
4.
How many hundreds?
1.
How many tens?
1.
How many ones?
2.
What number is represented now?
4,112.
4,112. What has changed? I added 1. I added 1,000. Good. So I added 1,000 here. Okay, good. Okay, I have another one under this magical box. Okay, before you tell me what number it is, what has changed between the top one, this original one, and this one? What has changed? Raise your hand if you notice, if you could spy a change. It's kind of like playing an I Spy game. Where is the change? Evan, where's the change? Between my original one up here and the bottom one down here.
It's 1,000.
Do you guys see there used to be 3,000s and now it's missing 1,000? Do you guys see that?
Yeah.
So how many thousands do I have now? Everyone?
2.
How many hundreds?
1.
How many tens?
1.
How many ones?
2.
What number do I have? 2,112. So what was the difference between my top one and the bottom one? I took away 1,000. So we can see that one of them was 1,000 more and one of them was 1,000 less. Yes? Good. Okay, the directions say use number discs to find the sum or difference. Number discs mean you're drawing dots in a place value chart. Okay? It tells you to find 100,000 less than 450,817. So when you do this, what you have to do is start by drawing dots for the original number. So we have 450,000. So we have to look at the thousands period first. We have 450,000. Do you guys see how that's 450,000? Yes?
Yeah.
Good. I'm going to redo this for a second. Okay, so 450,000. Why do I need 5 dots in the 10,000s column? Eyelet? To make 50. Very good. Why do I need 4 dots in the 100,000s? Sornima? To make 400,000. Good. But we still have more numbers. It says 817, right? So I need 800. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 17. Well, I know 17 is 110 and 7 ones. The question is asking us to find 100,000 less than that. So if I want to find 100,000 less, am I going to add something or take something away? What do you guys think? I'm going to take it away. Good. When we take something away, it's the same as erasing it. But I don't want you to erase because I want you to show your thinking. So here's how you show you're taking something away. I'm going to take away 100,000. Cross it out. Cross out 100,000. because it's asking us to find 100,000 less than that. So let's see what number we have left. How many 100,000s do we have left? Everyone?
3.
How many 10,000s?
5.
Count them carefully. How many thousands?
0.
How many hundreds?
8.
How many tens?
1.
How many ones?
7.
So the answer is 350,817. And here's an example of how you can use number discs in a place value chart to find 100,000 less than a given number. Now that I have 559,088 modeled in my place value chart, I want to make it now, see how I can get this one. I want to end up with 4,508,000. So I would have to cross off 1 to get 400,000. Do I have to cross anything out in the 10,000s column? What do you guys think? Yes or no? No. Do I have to cross out anything in the thousands column? Yeah, how many do I have to cross out? Okay. Do I have to cross out anything in the hundreds column? No. What about the tens column? What about the ones column? So how much did I have to cross out? I had to cross out 100,000, 0 thousands, and I had to cross out 1,000, 0 hundreds, 0 tens, and 0 ones. So how much more? How does this number compare to this number? Well, 559,088 is 101,000 more, right? 101,000. Is it more or less? Good. More than 458,088.